Okay, Fonz, this is a chart showing how your mouth is formed when you make certain sounds.
Oh, yeah? I think I know her.
Okay, let's try this one here. Now watch me. Aw.
Hey!
We better try another sound, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Fonz, we'll try this one here now, okay? Now watch me.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
No, a little more now. Come on, a little more.
Don't touch my mouth. No one touches the Fonz's mouth.
But you gotta learn how to enunciate.
You can bet no one ever touched Elvis's mouth.
Ralph.